Welcome distinguished Toastmaster Bala to conduct the round robin session. Over to you, Bala.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the day, JC. Good evening, happy morning to all the fellow Toastmasters and guests. So today I'm the round robin master. This is about having a quick fire or quick round fire or rapid fire round kind of stuff. And I would be establishing some rules, and from that, each one will get a chance. Am I audible?
Yes, Bala.
I think someone else speaker mic is on, so we are not able to hear you clearly.
Okay.
Mr. Sundarraman's Toastmaster Sundarraman's mic is on.
Thank you, Anirudh. So this session is about passing the buck every 1 minute. I'll be establishing some rules. Today's rules would be a topic will be given, and 2 words needs to be used alternatively. One is the first speaker, if he uses this word favorably, the next speaker should use unfavorably for the topic. So the topic, let me start with the topic right now. We are all in the lockdown and the online meetings are everywhere. Whether you take Toastmasters or Office, we are online always. So the favorable one is the commutation time is very much reduced. There is no commutation time at all. We are not commuting to office anywhere else. Sitting at home, and we are focusing and working. The output is very high, and that is what my favorable perspectives of working from home or online. So next, I pass the buck to Bhutatan. You will get 60 seconds.
Hey, thank you, Bala. I strongly disagree with Bala when it comes to commutation time. Whenever I go to work or whenever I stay in office, there is always some responsibility that's been assigned to me. Only during the commutation time, I can do whatever I want. I can listen to songs. I can be relaxed. Now this being now taken away, I have no relaxation time. Either I don't know whether I am doing my homework or I am doing my work from my job. So this is something I feel which is missing. So this is not, commutation is not my favorable. What's favorable is this food. No matter what time it is, I can get whatever I want. This is something which is more favorable, and that is something I feel everyone would agree with me. 20 seconds is still going on, so
Bala, take control of time, 20 seconds time, and
Gopinath. Gopinath?
Sir, you are speaking on mute. Sir, Gopi sir, you are speaking on mute.
Gopinath sir, you are on mute.
Am I audible?
Yeah. Go ahead.
20 seconds.
Yeah.
Your time
Going to
starts
the
now.
office.
10 seconds over.
Yeah. Okay. Going to the office, spending 1.5 hours in the traffic. It's an absolutely horrible thing, particularly in Chennai. Even though we manage it, but I think 1.5 hours in the morning and 2 hours back in the evening, 3 hours is a big waste. It's absolutely a very big waste. So I feel that being in the lockdown, sitting in the office, house and doing work is much more comfortable. We are saving time. 3 hours is a really big saving.
Tip to Vijay.
Favorable or unfavorable? I didn't get it.
The ideal is every member has to keep following what the previous person spoke about.
Hello.
Okay, what is super frustrating about this lockdown is that the time it takes. For me, after the meeting, 9:05, I'm back in the kitchen to do the work. And I didn't get this relaxed time where I can take my car out, go out on the ECR to all the clubs in Sholing and Aloo, take that 1 hour drive of time and then get back in a relaxed manner and do things my own way. So there's immediate attention to right after the meeting to getting to household chores is super exhausting.
Karthik.
See, for reaching the venue of Miraki by 7 o'clock, I have to leave by 6 o'clock from home. Now today I logged in by 6:50 and woke up by 6 o'clock. So that is one of the favorite thing I really love about this online meeting, especially on the time we log in. So close to 20-30 seconds, 20-30 minutes before I will leave.
Shankar Narayanan, unfavorable.
Like we see few minutes ago, Toastmaster Anirudh addressed his dad as Toastmasters. Mr. Sundar Raman's mic is on. So how professional he has become, he just forget his relationship with his dad. If it's because of too much of online meetings, even he has to call his dad as Mr. Sundar Raman. So he has been too professional, and it's been running consciously in the mind that every 24 hours I'm a professional.
Jayanti Monikam, favorable.
One of the things I'm doing now at working from home is doodling. So I have a lot of time to doodle, draw cartoons, and do many things. Most of the time I'm lying down and leisurely I'm doing my work. So it was one of the
Jayanti
best.
Senior.
What at home here? You live in a joint family and see. At home, 24/7, running here, running there, changing the diaper, go there and cook and then wash the vessel, then come here. Sundar will say, Jayanti, it's 10:30, why not I have a coffee? Oh my God, finish some meetings there, again go back there. He'll say, Jayanti, 1 o'clock you're not giving me lunch.
Just Priya. Thank you.
My
Priya
request is
Ganesan.
I don't say yes anymore, please. So, it's favorable, or one way it is favorable and one way it is unfavorable. So favorable is that I'm able to attend so many meetings in a particular day itself. That is a favorable one. And
Satish.
Good morning, Miracles again. Unfavorable because I can't talk more than a particular decibel also. That is something I love to do when we are in person, and about the whole time I spent away from the home in want of meeting has totally been curtailed. So I see this as one of the major thing, and I hate this setting of online meeting. And
Sundar Raman.
So because of this online, we come across news very quickly. Last week, I saw a message saying that Toastmasters at an international Toastmaster meeting. After seeing that newspaper clipping, immediately I tried to connect with one of the Toastmaster meeting in France. Last week, even I was given the opportunity to evaluate a speech. So with online meeting, we are able to do globe trotting, so virtually. So that is the favorable part of virtual meetings and the lockdown situation. So I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Badrinath.
In this lockdown, I don't have to go and eat the same old dosa from the office canteen day in and day out. I can just sit over here and say like, hey, I need something, an exotic something for the supper, and I can get it. But the same thing goes back. The unfavorable part is earlier I can just go into the office canteen and ask for anything. Now I have to give at least a 24-hour notice for getting it prepared.
So if the topic has to come that lockdown is favorable, it has to be me only, because in addition to Toastmasters meetings, I'm conducting 7 meetings in 7 days of the week, daily for 1.5 hours. So I definitely welcome the lockdown. Even if the COVID situation disappears, I would want lockdown so that I can have more meetings,
Ashok.
interact with more people.
Ashok?
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Ashok, go ahead.
Yeah, this lockdown has made the boundaries between work and life merging. So earlier I used to set out of home at 7 a.m. and then return by 7:30 p.m. But now there is no such thing. I start at 7 a.m. and my day goes on until way past midnight. So that is such an unfavorable thing. So I love to see the offices open and I go back to my regular routine.
Yeah, definitely the favorable thing is my son entering into teenage. I get a lot of time with time to spend with him, to speak to him and understand him better. And when you ask what is not so favorable, you put all your energy together to get to speak in a Toastmaster meeting.
So thank you
Language.
everyone. Thank you everyone for great participation. This is a fantastic round robin speeches. Really glad to be the round robin master for the first time. Thank you. Over to Toastmaster of the day.